This is the unofficial opening of the G2. I've owned it since Christmas, and it's a week later. So some of the stuff's not in its packaging, but this is basically what you'd see. Here's the box. You open it up. You got your very pretty G2. You open it up again. You got your power cord. Little things for your headphones. Your headphones that you can also connect to your phone and play and pause music, and also talk. And then all your warranty information is inside this little crappy box. So this is how fast the G2 actually turns on. Just wait a little bit. You can kind of see it's already loaded HTC. Now let's load the G2 part. Sorry about the glare. Do. Now put in my password. And now you can kind of see the background I got. That's not standard. Comes standard with a bunch of cool apps like goggles. You just take a picture. And yeah. Now, one thing most people might not like about the G2, loose keyboard. Whoa. Look. Not very falling off. Kinda have to hold it. There we go. So, it's kind of loose. It shouldn't bug you. Another cool thing is standard headphone jack. Works with all headphones. And my favorite part is just take off the camera, or that case. Extremely simple. Just push down this little thing. In there, it's almost impossible to get out. Like, well, it's possible, but it's really challenging, and I didn't want to break it. But it comes with an 8 gig SD card that's pre-installed, so you don't gotta worry about sticking it in there. And the phone comes with about 2 gigs of memory, but that's including, or that's before they load everything. Has a little flash, and that's about it. Oh, and the keyboard lights up when you use it, so if you're ever trying to play in the dark, you can still use the keyboard. And overall, the G2 is a pretty dang nice phone. So, I recommend getting it if you're thinking about getting a new phone.